Hello everyone, I am Vijay. Today I'll be going to discuss about the circular number TRG 16, and this is related to Diksha. What is the subject of this circular? Dissemination of 845 plus curriculum aligned virtual labs and digital resources available on Diksha. So let us see in detail what is been given over here. This circular is in both the languages, Hindi and English. I'll be going to explain it in Hindi, in English. In pursuance of recommendations of the National Educational Policy 2020 and to support its effective implementation in school education, the Ministry of Education MOE and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is MITY, through CIET and NCERT have developed a comprehensive repository of curriculum aligned virtual labs and associated digital learning resources. The repository comprises more than 845 plus virtual labs, mostly in science and mathematics, mapped to NCERT curricula, learning outcomes, classes, subjects, and chapters. The virtual labs and related resources can be accessed through. Now, if you want to get the benefit of this virtual labs, then how you are going to access that? First point, it has been given that Diksha portal, grade wise, subject wise, and chapter wise virtual labs are available on Diksha portal and mobile app. Point number 2, mapped with QR codes in NCERT books. QR codes provided at the beginning of the textbooks, chapters to enable access to relevant virtual labs and digital resources. Grade wise QR, dedicated QR codes provide access to virtual labs mapped with respective subjects and chapters of all grades and chapter wise as well. Point number 4, Ask Disha users can search for relevant virtual labs and other digital resources through the AI powered Ask Diksha feature. Next, point number 5 is Diksha personalized adaptive learning, that is PAL. Virtual labs are also accessible through Diksha PAL courses. The QR code is provided to access the virtual labs available on the Diksha portal. You can directly scan this QR code and you will get access to the virtual labs. All principals and the heads of the schools are affiliated to CBSE are requested to disseminate this and encourage students and teachers, the stakeholders to avail these sources. So this is the important update from Diksha app. I hope all of you have understood. If you are getting benefits from my channel, then it is a kind request that subscribe my channel and like and share the information. If you are having any queries, comment in comment section. Thank you.